Hello! Welcome to Squid Essays. Inking your academic pen. My name is Julie and I will be your instructor as we read through impacts of the greenhouse effect. The article's source is embedded in the video description below. Feel free to read along. Please note that you can get a custom, plagiarism-free essay for as little as $10 a page at Squid Essays. The link is in the description. Climate is the kind of weather a certain place has over a long period of time. Climate has a very important influence on plants, animals and humans in different parts of the world. Greenhouse gases explain the warmness of our planet. Sunlight gives us heat. Some of the heat warms the atmosphere, and some of the heat goes back into space. This process is known as greenhouse effect. Without the greenhouse gases our planet would be as cold as the moon, where the average temperature is -18 degrees Celsius, while on the Earth it's about +15 degrees Celsius. Recently climate has changed a lot. The world is becoming warmer and greenhouse effect is one of the main reasons of this global warmth. Burning fossil fuels, such as oil, coal and gas influences our atmosphere and so the responsibility for the global warming in the 20th century lies on people. Extra greenhouse gases increase the greenhouse effect. Burning fossil fuels is not the only source for extra greenhouse gases. While driving cars and cutting down forests, people also heighten their contents in our atmosphere. Plastics and paints are among the most harmful essences. They are very hard to recycle and their demolishing ruins the ozone layer of our planet. It goes without saying that the greenhouse effect will affect human health, water supplies, agriculture and animal life. If people don't stop to pollute the atmosphere, as they do it today, by 2100 the average temperature may be 3 degrees Celsius warmer than today. It will be very harmful for the plant and animal species. It may even happen that some of them will vanish from the face of the earth. Local climate influences the particular diseases and creates different threats to human health in this or that region. Extreme temperatures are dangerous for people with asthma and other lung and heart diseases. Such temperatures can even cause the loss of life. Serious diseases can appear exactly in warm areas. If the process of warming proceeds slowly, the north areas will gradually be colonized by trees and particular animals will migrate to these areas. If the temperature changes 2 degrees Celsius in 100 years, as it has been during the 20th century, animals will have to migrate about 2 miles a year and it's not impossible. The global warming supposes that the soil will become drier and drier, which will lead to the increases the frequency of fires in forests. The global warming supposes that the soil will become drier and drier, which will lead to the increases of the frequency of fires in forests. Scientists predict that even if animals can accept the climate changes and adapt to them, it will be impossible for them to migrate to new habitats because of modern kinds of modifications, which would block their migration. As we see, the global warming influences the forests greatly. Changes of temperature have impacts on fish too. Water one day would become too warm for some species of fish. Salinity and pollution levels and the amount of oxygen in water may increase and thus affect their population numbers and distribution. According to scientists' predictions, ocean fish will be less affected by the changes in temperature than inland and coastal species. Inland fisheries require constant temperatures of water in winter and in summer and any changes are very notable for them. Warmer temperatures and salinity changes will also affect coastal species of fish. Bibliography 1. Dobson, A. Jolly, and D. Rubenstein 1989. The Greenhouse Effect and Biological Diversity. Trans Eagle. Evol 4, 3, 64-68. 2. Ted, SFB, Mitchell, JFB, Parker, D., and M.R. Allen, Human Influence on the Atmospheric Vertical Temperature Structure, Detection and Observations, Science, 274, 1170-1173, 1996. Thank you for taking your time to listen to me. I hope you enjoyed learning about impacts of the greenhouse effect as much as I did. Kindly remember that you can get a custom, plagiarism-free essay at Squid Essays for as little as $10. The link is in the description. See you next time.